Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve network on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve network on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window or to the app of Picsart app. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.